My people, right now no have a whole heap of kids right now will leave high school and never really get none of them subject, no CXC subject. Them parents disappointed in them. And them as a child disappointed in themselves. Right? Listen to me. The competence level where CXC really test the kids them for in a high school, especially a child who have been recommended for CXC subject, and probably the child no pass it. When you go into the real world, nobody no want to see them the competence level. They no business about that. They no business if you can do simultaneous equation. This, that, fraction, way. You need the basic level of certain thing. That's why I promote a child being able, if he can read and write and have understanding and develop a reasoning ability throughout their academic life, through high school. Go and check the call center them in Jamaica and tell me how much employees in them call center there have 5 and 10 CXC subject and the only job they can get. Eh? Tell me how much people right now in a them job and student loan a bust them brain. Eh? Tell me how much youths out there right now. We got university, we got community college. Them got community college. And when them go a community college, them get an associate degree. Next thing again, one more piece of stress to move on to university, to go get your bachelor's degree or your master's or whatever. When you leave, no job in Jamaica for you. Where you bust your brain for? What about the man that got art and go turn a tiler, go turn a plumber, go study them construction, go do something or whatever, like engineering this or go do even mechanic. Don't them eat bread right now. Who the market out there for right now? So when that mother or a father go beat down them youth to them not pass them CXC, them go to school, go waste them time, this and that. Them the pitney they turn out better than enough of the pitney them who go do one for CXC. I be a stress them put them under. And me I tell you say CXC a waste of time. Remember you know, me is a true example like enough of my friend them you know. 8 and 9 CXC subject. 7, 8 and 9 CXC subject. Some of the man them a batter right now, a taxi them a run. Some of the man them on site and do regular work. Most of them stuck in a hotel right now. Most of them stuck in a car center. And the one them will run with go foreign and when them run with go foreign, a totally different thing them a deal with. Cause let's say I know the Caribbean you buy great and go. Right? I know the Caribbean. You can go a big foreign with CXC subject. Big foreign no business about CXC subject. Big foreign only cater about your competence level. And if a child is competent enough to go pass CXC subject, whether that child do CXC or not, anywhere in the world him go, him have the understanding, him have the intellect and everything to go pass a competence level test to go better himself in a foreign country. Me, I don't even know my CXC paper then them. I'm supposed to dash them where I burn them up. Me not no use for them. A hotel me there wash pot of Jamaica. You hear me I say? I mean a security work for how much years and them sitting there. Right now the youth them right now they on TikTok or they on some social media platform. Them dash all of them credentials, them no want them no more. How much people no sit on the social media or whatever right now? Where you make millions of dollars. Them have CXC, them have big old dunce. You hear me I tell you? So parents, what I'm trying to get across is don't beat down your child or feel like your child is a failure because them give him 2 CXC for do why them never recommend him for none or him do this or what? It no mean nothing. It's a Caribbean level for check pitney. Go get a skill and that me a promote. Give a youth a skill. CXC, it's the foundation, yes that's what them say. For tertiary level education. Suppose your parents don't have the money for send you go tertiary education. What you going to do with the CXC subject them? You can't get student loan. What you going to do with the all of the CXC subject them what you have? Right now, me can tell you this. And anybody on this app can tell you right now and can comment. Make them comment how much CXC subject them have and tell me if them have a job. Tell me if them in the desired job what them want. thing you can do is go turn police or soldier in Jamaica. Eh? What is there for you? You have to run with a foreign or something like that for the thing work out. Don't beat them no pitney in Jamaica about no CXC subject. The competence level them a test you upon, you don't need that in a real life today. You're dead for younger with the CXC subject them. You got thief with the CXC subject them. Nothing at all now go on for you. Remember when me tell you that. And the man we go learn him skill and learn how to build house. Learn how to do this. Him is a tiler, him is a welder that can make grill and grill up people place. Him is a mechanic who can fix people car and them something there. Even a painter. You have a skill, brother, you have your money, you can live. If me didn't have my right mind, me never did need to do all of my CXC subject, them and go get 9 CXC subject. When me there high school, me do 8 CXC subject first. Me get 7. Me go back go do 2 more. Me end up with 9. Me dash them where coming on the use for them. What me I do with them? Me couldn't get no proper job. Them no want to see them something there. Waste of time. 9 CXC subject. Me have use for them. Now me got a big foreign. You think they want to see them there? Them no want to see them. You have to go start all over again. So you better if your name bother to them. Because you out there Jamaica, you have to sit down with them. 9, 10 CXC subject. Grades 1, 2, 3. You are dead for hungry. You can't get a job. You're in a supermarket. You're in a one little store. You're in a one little factory. You're there hotel for years because of the hungry place you can go. And the man who got Archos NTA. Go get him city and guilds or whatever and go get him big surfing ticket. Him come turn big old executive chef in a hotel pass you with a little 9, 10 CXC subject them. That me I try show you youths. This may sound away. And a lot of people may go against it based on what me I say. But a reality J progress attack yes so. Don't worry too much about CXC subject. If you can do it and your people then can afford to do it. When you end up sometime without a job, see where you go say, oh, me have so much CXC subject and whatever. And you're the worst thing. If you never got uni and qualify, and you're the... Why not tell me say in a real life? When a man employ you, he's employing a man who has the skill and the experience. Where you go with CXC subject and big degree. Watch your style, you know. If I am a man with no CXC subject, no degree, but I have enrolled in an apprenticeship and learned the skill from a person who know it, I mean I have none of them qualification there, and you come with your big degree and your big CXC, who you think I get the job? Remember, me can do the job already, you know. I have gone through an apprenticeship and learned it from a professional, you know. And me not have none of them qualification there. And I can do the job. Guess what? The boss man want the job to be done now. The boss man not no time if you go train up the body. We only have things on paper. Youths, take my advice. The teachers them may come for me. And the educators them. But youths no take my advice. Learn a skill. It is more important than them bachelor's degree on paper and them CXC on paper. Learn your skill. And you see in a real life today, you will be able to take care of your family and take care of yourself. And still watch them with all of them CXC subject, them bachelor's degree, them associate degree, still a struggle. Because they are only there looking for a big job because they have the qualification. Guess what? You have the skill and the hands-on experience. Teachers, you don't know no lie me I tell. A whole heap of teacher me say left them teaching profession. Cause after them got teaching college and run up them bill, them can't pay them student loan. Teaching job now pay them no money. And me them have to call to come build them house and them have to, the whole of them little teaching money them have to pay them to build them house. And me tell them say me want 6,000 a day or 10,000 a day. Them have to pay me and providing a skill and you need me. Get a skill you. Don't make them beat up your head. If you go to school and you can do your CXC for a year ago, do it. I did it. But me never did need to do it. It not do me nothing. It not benefit me. Because without me doing the CXC subjects, I was still able to read and write and intellect enough and competent enough for you put me in any role and me can grasp the training and everything and apply that. Me don't know me CXC paper then. Me dash them when me no want them. What me do with them? Me there Jamaica for years. Me still never have no use for them. 9 CXC subject and I me stand up on location and walk me gate for letter through. And me there hotel a wash pot. Till me and them white and rough and crufty. Where CXC can get me? Me mother not, me tell you already. Me got U-Tech. Me and me bridging. Hospitality and tourism management, me say me want go in. When me go, when them give me when them finance out everything over $1 million Jamaican dollar, and that was how much years back. So imagine now. So if a parents when I struggle to send them little youth go high school, or them are going to send them go community college, or them are going to send them go university. And when them left, them still don't have a job to help back them parents who bleed themselves dry and not have nothing. But the little man who left and he go and art school get him tired and sitting. Him done build him mother house already. Buy him all him car and I live off him nice little family while me out there struggle bust my brain same way. Focus on a skill youth. So you don't have a skill and have a trade, it value more than any bachelor's degree and any CXC pen paper. Believe when J Progress tell you that.